Hi everyone, welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. Today now, another hot topic. Please do bear with me. I'll be back. Okay, my brothers and sisters, you're welcome to my universe. If it's your first time of passing by, if it's your first time of seeing my video, please hit the subscribe button to watch more of my video. Those of you that have subscribed before, that keep coming back to watch my video, I love you from the bottom of my heart. I love you, I love you, I love you. I say a big thank you to you. Thank you very much. Thank you for patronizing me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for your positive energy. I really do appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I love you in the name of love. Thank you very much. So today I want to talk about waiting I see again for social media. I like to bring, for those my friends who just see my video for the first time, I like to bring things when I see for social media to see how I fit say give my own positive opinion, how I would say make my brothers and sisters see from another person point of view. Maybe, just maybe, if it change one or two person, the way we take they think or the way we take they live. That's my goal now. My goal now to bring out the best in everybody. My goal now to make people free themselves from this enslavement of all these men of God. So today now, man of God issue. This brother Pastor Joshua Jinla. Now I want to talk about today the thing they hot for social media. They go viral. People they talk about and even give ahead to people to crucify them, to talk, say him willing to take the blame. Maybe you don't see him. Maybe you don't see him. Maybe you never see him because this world too big. I want to talk about because I see comments where people they leave for the video. The man come and say he won't confess. The man come and say he won't confess in sin to the public. Make I leave now with the video. Now you're not too long, na short video, so that you feel follow me up. So that you fit understand, you fit see from my own point of view. You fit see where I from the come. You fit understand from where I from the come. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, to be human enough to understand. I beg you to be sweet and loving enough to see from my own point of view. Leave your opinion below. Let's talk. Let's disagree to agree. No need for the fighting. No need for the insults. No need to fight ourselves because of one person when he choose by himself to make mistake. So please bear with me. I will be back.
There's something important I have to tell the church today, and it's very important. I've taken time to pray about it, and God has spoken to me. I've also talked with great fathers of faith over it, and I need to say this to you briefly because it's very important to my destiny. I'm accountable to you as a father, and that's why it's very important I have to say this to you as a father. Maybe I might be the first man of God doing this in this fashion. That is how I'm led to do it. And I want you to throw your stone at me, abuse me, insult me. I will receive it. But I want to stay alive, if not for you, for my destiny. I am a mother in the Lord. We met, and we had a wonderful marriage. And before we start by checking our genotype. She was AA, I was AS. It's difficult for me to say, but I have to say it this way and stop at a particular point. And then we had our first daughter, a wonderful child. And eventually we discovered she was sickle cell anemia. You've seen me pray for people here with sickle cell anemia, and God has been doing miracles. I saw it as a battle and a challenge for me as your father, which is a trial of faith for me, which is not a problem. Not a problem at all. I embraced my daughter and we had good time in my family. And that's all. We flowed with my wife and everything was okay. And then discovered in the course of time that she was actually AS. No problem. It was not a battle. But one thing led to another thing. Something happened, which I don't want to go into those details. And what happened is what will make a man to divorce his wife scripturally. I had a backing for that. I had to cover it up to make sure that my marriage moved with your mother. And that led to so many things. So many things. You see, because I'm a man of God, I cannot divorce my wife. Because if I do, all of you will say a man of God is divorcing his wife. I chew it as a pill. But eventually it brought an unholy child into the matrimony, which became a pill for me to chew. I'm not wanting you to judge my wife or judge anything. I just want you to just know. It led to that and brought me, we had serious battles here and there, families, interventions and everything. We covered it. We would have not gotten to this point today if my wife had listened to me when we had the battle. I also went out and have a child outside wedlock. And then it became a battle in the family. And so this battle has become a big one that some men of God are taking advantage of this battle, of that battle, and sons who are under me who are very bad. I feed on this battle. I've tried for 7 years to stable the vehicle, but it has not been. I wanted to take the blame to be on me, but I want you to know that it started from this point to that point. As it is now, it has become a pain, because when your wife begins to fight you on everywhere you go, insulting you, throwing you, I told her, I said, don't fight me, let's solve this problem in the secret. If we cannot solve it, I'll come to the wall, I'll confess my sin to the wall, receive the insult, and end the marriage. And that is what I'm doing today. Because the battle is bad. He has pushed me to this point today that I'm confessing to the whole world. I want the world to know. I want you to insult me, but I said the day I open up to the world of what she, because this battle didn't start as if Papa started the battle. She pushed me to this, and I covered her up, and I did not divorce her. And when mine came, she threw me to the wall, sending, everywhere I go, my wife is calling people, telling people, sending pictures, sending this. I feel it's so bad because I'm not sleeping. I'm not sleeping. I am not sleeping at all. And then children who don't know my story are insulting me unnecessarily. I felt I want to end the struggle. I want it to be on media, insult me the way you want to insult me. I accept the blame. I'm not going to fight my wife. I'm not going to fight her. But I said the day you push, I pleaded with her for 7 years. I've knelt down. I begged her. I pleaded. But she chose to make me a laughing stock before people. And I said to her, the day I come up to the air and say this thing to the people, it marks the end of the union. Because if you cannot cover me in this place. Can I talk? If you are not in my shoe, you will not be able to talk the way I'm talking. Somebody shout fire. So I just have to end it.
Okay, my brother, hope you see the video. Hope you watch and hope you listen attentively. To just watch video, not be really the issue here. The issue now, listen attentively. Make sure you pick something out of anything you they watch. Make sure you know you read people body language. Make sure you read people body language. Make sure you read the intention of waiting the make person do video. Not just look video because maybe you like this person or maybe you hate this person and you just conclude because of your personal opinion where you get towards this person. Always be a good judge. I dey tell people say social media, this social media time all day, so now judgment day. People not they understand. You see, they say God saying will start the judgment from a house, and now they happen so. Now they happen so. My own take away from this video, from this confession, now say he not confess. The only thing I see now say, he can't tell the world say he want divorce his wife because he a pastor. Confession not there. If you really sit down, I beg you pause this video, rewatch him again. Maybe you don't fair watch him, but meditate, pause and meditate on this clip when I bring out, with this video when I bring out, rewatch him again, listen. Make sure you listen properly. And he say, he know they put the blame on a wife. He come confess. If you can't confess, why are you putting your wife into it? The only thing I see there now, because of the blackmail way into the gates, because he won't come out for media, because people don't they threaten and maybe they don't they to collect money from his hand. He don't tire. He even said it in his own word. Say he no want die. He BP don't high. The thing make me laugh. A old pastor, your BP high, you wait they see God. With respect to the members, that church too gallant, that church too big. People, many way believe on that pastor, not be on God again. Many people believe on this pastor. So I keep telling people, say, because your pastor, na pastor or general overseer, no make him be Jesus. We are all humans and we are bound to make mistake. But because they don't make religion thing, they don't make Christianity, they don't put themselves for the place where God not put them. When they make people, they look and say, no, they are too holy, they cannot make mistake. People, they feel, say, no, they're too holy, they cannot make mistake. And which is bad. Now, the position where they put themselves, say, they don't automatically turn God. So they are bound, they know they are over mistake. They know they made mistake. He carry his wife issue come and say, his wife go bring, I say use the word, he go bring a unholy child come their matrimonial home. As a man of God, as a servant of God, he's saying get scripture to take back a divorce. That's income. Come they tell people, say, see what he want do. He want use scripture take back his own wrongdoings up. That's, I hope people just understand when I they talk, say, the way people they use scriptures to they back their evil deed, they pissed me off. They make me the vex. They make me they say, oh God. He say wife bring unholy child come house. So as a man of God, as a servant of God, you can't decide now. Say you want to pay back. So where the role model can dey? Where the God where in the serve they when he say forgive, as in decide to forgive, why not just let go? I dey see people they blame the wife. I dey see people they complain, say, oh, the woman did wrong, the woman do this, the woman do that. I not talk because I know, say, when this thing don't too hot, the woman must definitely talk. And she did. She talk. Not me say, I dey say what she dey talk 100% still right. I own just see their body because she say from 6 years now she give her life to Christ. I don't know of anybody. I don't know of anybody. I don't know whether you know where remember what he do 6 years ago. When he did 6 years. Let me say 6 years ago. I don't believe say one person day. Me no fit remember wetin me do 12 years when I did 12 years. So I never hear am for once say person say him give him life to Christ in 6 years when he still be say you still dey under your parents. So lie don't dey that one. That one not be waiting I dey want make my brothers and sisters see. I want draw people attention to something like when people they talk something, make we try to they pick sense inside what that they talk. This man did not confess. He not tell us as he say meet this woman where he impregnates. This one don't be second pregnancy according to the rumor, according to the video where they go viral. This woman get belle for her again. No normal woman, no normal human being, no go provoke for that kind of thing. First time we can say, okay, I forgive you. First time I can say, okay, I forgive you, na mistake. Maybe the woman want just born, okay, mistake, I accept it. Since 7 years, you still get the audacity to stand for the altar of God to lay hand on people when in an adultery man. Coupled with the fact say he even marry. I think they say to marry two wives na bad thing. See the evidence here. See the evidence. Look the dates where he marry. He marry and if they stand for pulpit, they say in the heal people and in say in gets a sickle cell child. Respect to that beautiful child. Respect God not create everybody. Respect to you for a father to come out, come talk, say in home pikin na sickle cell where the world never know. Make they just take pity for him is disgusting. That child no beg una mona carry her con life. It's sweet una too. It's sweet there too. Now they bring that child con life. I don't see why. I don't see any reason why this pastor Joshua, a big prophet Joshua, a big brother Joshua, go bring the innocent child for his own mistake to get pity from people. You know how many homes these men of God don't destroy, like telling men and women where they are married, no, they work again to say me they stay inside. God say no, don't no divorce. Divorcing is abomination, is forbidden. Do you know how many? I don't know whether I'm listening to Ram. When he say him buy apartments for a child, for a wife, a family, for US, for approximate $1 million. That is your own tax money. My brother, when one put thumbs down for this video. My sister, wait the verse now say, how dare you talk to my brother, my general overseer, my daddy, my father. How dare you talk to him? Your own money. Now you take go buy house for your family for America. He said the children, more than 1 million, God, almost 1 million. Now you take buy, not be say 1 million naira, $1 million. I bet give yourself this work. Converter must be 1 million in naira. Where they buy house, that's what they pay for that house. Never do. Every year, if they pay tax for that house where you buy, that money where you pay for that house, you use to take boosting America economy. He said the children they go the best school for America. Why you where they vex now? Why you where they provoke now? Your pikin not fit afford 2 square meals a day. The one way fit afford them, he pikin not the quick pay school fees. Your pikin not the quick pay school fees for Nigeria. That Nigeria good, it just good like that. Why children not go Nigeria school? Why be saying na US school he pikin want go? Your own pikin they forbid. Or you still there for Bible say no, your children cannot go to better school. Like seriously, let's wake up. Let's wake up. In just talk, if he say people want use and take praise and say he's a man, say they take off a family with people sweat, with people. Ah, God. Some men of God are heartless. Some men of God are wicked. Some men of God are not worthy to become men of God. They are not worthy to become men of God. I just hope you understand. I hope you see reason with me. I hope you just see that this man not take full responsibility for his action. He only come public, come bring his wife down. He only come public, come tell people, come tell world, say his wife gets affair outside their marriage. And me and you don't know how truth is that. Me and you don't know how true is that. Me and you don't know whether not true. Now in own na come out. Now make him quickly come out, come put him hand for up. Before na come out, put the disgrace on my body, make I just talk him. Now people they copy from Donald Trump. When he do crime, he go talk him. People say I not be crime now because he talk and come out. Crime is a crime. Crime is a crime. All of them don't they copy. Say if you just talk on by yourself, the beating go reduce. The beating not go reduce. People will get wisdom go know where you from the come. People will get wisdom still there for the world. You can fool some people. You can't fool everybody at the same time, sir. You can't. You can't, because those people where they for Nigeria, where they give you the money, where they go they pay that tax for your family for abroad. See. Oh God. Anyhow, Sha, what am I trying to say? My followers, my believers, my brothers and sisters, my lovely Christians, please, I beg you, stop attacking people because you're man of God, not be Jesus. When somebody they talk something, believe them. I just use this one to bring back Otobo matter. When people they say no, Pastor Apostle Suleiman, with respect to the members, Apostle Suleiman is too innocent to fall for Otobo. Apostle Suleiman is too innocent. Do you know what your men of God do for secrets? Do you know what your men of God do when you are not there? Everybody, people start to attack Otobo. They intimidate her. They begin threatening this girl. This girl has no choice to come out to come to say in a lie she can talk. But that's good spirits. It just new start to expose them. It just new starts. You can only deceive humans. You can't deceive that good spirit. People shut that girl up with the pain. People shut her up. What she did is not good. What she did is wrong. To go sleep with married man. But believe me, make we stop to put blame on only the women. People they attack this Joshua wife and this Pastor Joshua wife with respect to the family, with respect to him because he's an elder. Not because of this shit when he do. Because na elder, respect to him in that form. People now, they blame the woman, say she go bring unholy child according to the man. Come their matrimonial home. Pastor Joshua one talks, he said when he own can happen, no sign of remorse, no sign of he they regrets. Tell the wife since 7 years. I beg, let me put this thing into consideration, my brothers and sisters. I beg you to be human enough. I beg you to see from my own point of view. Because my beautiful doll, let's say, what you know say they not go do you? Not do unto your fellow human being. Not do one. He says since 7 years, now they beg your wife, make they talk this thing in secret. This is man of God, oh. This is holy man. This is man where millions believe on. May they do in secret. Maybe the woman really take on secrets. The woman not really talk, come out. How you can't tell me I take on secret? At the end of the day, I see they see you and the woman together. When the woman release her own video, she said the woman call her. The other woman call her, say me they share the man together. All of them, they like the pastor pion. Say make you woman get mind. Woman go just gather mind. Call me, tell me, say make me and share my husband. Which can Julius Berger pour concrete for that woman heart? Which can Harold CC grade that heart? The way just the woman give the evidence. The second pregnancy, you just want the woman to shut up. Say that the woman now make him come to this level. Him tell the woman, say, if he make am come public, the marriage is done. Say people they benefit from this problem. Something where you don't they do since 7 years. Since 7 good years, you not take and say, oh, you be role model. You not take and say you be servant of God as you claim. May you say, may you stop him. May people pray for you. How that Nigeria wanted good with all these evil pastors who for everywhere? How you want a good? People they attack the wife now, not even knowing whether not true the pastor they talk because now man. That is still the problem. Because now Geo, because now general overseer, the respect whether they give that woman now because of say now daddy wife. If that's marriage breakthrough, they believe me, you will see everybody when they call this woman mommy, everybody go drop that respect, and it is bad. It is bad. Make we beg, make we did take something to their our body. Because people don't, second pregnancy don't enter now. You know, say the woman, if not you know if it come now, you know, say the woman not if it come again, the woman don't threaten her to say he want to come out. Now make her come out talk and not be say because he want confess to the word, because I don't see any confession there. He only bring down his wife. He's with boldness, arrogant, so arrogant with respect to the members. With respect to the members, again, one film when I watched that time for Nigeria, I still did very young. This pastor, he sleep with another woman. So, with all this suicide talk on he can't torture himself. He go church, go confess. When you see somebody where they confess, when you see somebody where really know what he do, say this thing where he do really bad, you go see from the body language. Instead they say praise the Lord for where? What do you want praise God for? Say now only in believe say be the man of God. He still they call himself man of God. That is what is God, my people now. Members where they go that church, make una beg. It's not compulsory you must go to church. See where church dey. He say your heart is his temple. Must you go to church? Do you know people where they put hand for your head? You know the sin where they do for secrets? Do you know? My brothers and sisters, please be reasonable. Be reasonable. I know you love this man with passion. I know you love him. Some people even love this man past God. Some people love this man past Jesus. And it's not supposed to be so. It's not supposed to be so. You must not go church. You must not go church when you good. I don't remember when I go church rich. It doesn't really matter. You know me say I be bad person. You know me say signify say I'll see good thing, make I can't talk say a bad thing. It no means because I know they go church, no means say I go see person where get accident, just pass and no help am. I go see person where they hungry, when I know say I get food, say I no go give am. That is how Jesus child, God's child should behave. Not be by say you they go church. People where they too go church, people where they too believe. My own opinion. In my own opinion, they are the people where they fear hellfire. Those people they fear hell die, and you there for the hair. You there for the hair. You don't already there hellfire. Why are you scared? When you good, when you see your neighbor, they gossip your neighbor. They talk bad against your neighbor. They pull life for their head. Why you would they fear? Why? This man say in a AS, wife na AA, they lie, they want brainwash people, may they see reasons with them, may they put the blame for your wife head, they want put blame for your wife head, but they tell people, say you just want to tell them the genesis of the problem. Automatically, you be no one doing and your wife now push you put. Tell, okay, una go fit, make members, I beg una, make una ask this man of God, since na your wife push and put, if your wife push as push am, go put am for naked wire, he go put am. He not go put am. There was nothing like confession there. He just gonna tell the world publicly, say he want divorce his wife, continue with the other wife. When your marriage is not working, not be do other affair. Not be do other affair. You quit by not blackmailing other person, by not being false witness. You stand on top of pulpits, you stand on top of altar. You are lying. You are lying. Why you not tell us? Say you say you married the woman. That is confession. The film when they talk, they come just now. The man confess his sin. As he take confess, he talk everything way he do. As he take come, as the woman take come, as he take do, as he take sleep with him, as how many times he can't lead to say she go abort the belle. He can't lead to that one. The man was crying. He was sharing tears. You see the sincerity in him. You see how regretful he was. He suspended himself. He suspended himself. When he say he want cut the marriage, the church say, ooh. But when he talk say he get pikin out of wedlock, church not bully him. Church not bull him. Ooh, no. That did you dare not. That shall not bull man of God. When he say he want leave your wife, that was the only way. They not even bull. They say no, no, no. They say no. But he not talk say he want step down. That film where that man stepped down by himself, but he was so pompous. When they talk, when they say no, 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 if they say somebody shout fire, which fire? Which fire, my brothers and sisters, and some members in the church really say fire, fire. Like seriously, you tell me. After listening to this video, pause am again, I beg you. Listen to his confession. To you, that one a confession. If me say me want confess, I go confess, say, oh, see wetin I do. See wetin I do. I regret. I regret from the bottom of my heart. It wasn't my intention. Put on top of devil. Those say not be devil, they do everything. When you they naked, when you they pull your clothes, when you they do what you they do, the devil no, the devil, God travel. God not say no, don't do it. And he come to say, in seek the face of God. Now God directs him to do this thing. And people are falling for it. People are falling for it. Please, my members, please. I know you will be angry. I know you will be angry. But please, may I cool my voice? I beg you. You must not go church. It's not must, because you don't know who they put on for your head. In say for a video, according to a word, in get Siko said daughter, respect to that beautiful lady, respect to that daughter of his. You either heal other people, but enough he heal your own. Either heal other people, enough he heal your own. Now I understand why these pastors now they like. And now I understand why these pastors now they give money to people, they give cars to people, they give things to people, just that because. To me, to my opinion, to my own reasoning, I believe say now because of all this backlash where go come, where they tell win people so, where people say it be good, make we forgive them, forgive when he don't destroy many people home. He should step down. He not go fit step down now when he know how many millions he they carry there. He no go fit step down. Instead, make people they say make it step down. People they say make they do on secret. See what the secret don't lead people to. You cover adulterous woman according to your word. I not believe for 1 second say that your wife commit adultery. I not believe. The woman video, she say make the man come America. Make the man come America, make him do the DNA test. You go, show the word, since you don't volunteer to confess the sin. Go bring the report. Let's see. Even as at that, because your wife jump for fire, you follow and jump for fire. Where is the man of God? Where is the authentic man of God? Where is the daddy? Where is that powerful man of God, because they don't the two blackmail. This is my opinion. I like giving my opinion in my own little way. Make I take like see whether I could fit open some people eyes. Make I just see whether I could fit try my best. I know they say I mean no at all. I know they say I mean no at all. Don't get me wrong. I don't know at all. I they try. They want try. I they try to just help in my own little way. Please, my members, please, please. I know you love him. I know you believe him, but tell yourself the truth. This is not confession. He just brought his wife down. He made the world see say his wife not the bad person, not being the bad person, he not victim. He not be victim. He no do. He no do. Believe me, you, this is just the beginning, because this one at the end time. All of us the end time. It will start for church and it does start for church. This one are just number one. Believe me, you, before this year end, other big ones will come out. May you take no as the body of Christ, the body of religion, as they say they keep secret, saying tell some men of God and some are profiting from him. Because the black man don't too much, he don't fed up. He say no, he sleep again. He BP don't high. You never see anything, Oga. Man of God, BP still they high. So men of God, they take tablet, they take drugs. Why my people not want to understand? Say this men of God, way to get money, way gets private jets, they fear deaths. If they talk say God give it and God take it, why are they scared of dying? He say you don't want die. You don't want die. Why you don't want die? May you go see God. May you go ask God why everything be like this. He say you don't want die. The headache is too much. The blackmail is too much. Now me can come out. Not me say he want confess, because he not confess anything. He only confess say his wife commit adultery, and at the same thing he do. Now the same thing he do. So my brothers and sisters, where they feel pity for him, there is nothing to pity for him here. He no do. He just no do. He no do where. So I beg you, my brothers and sisters, to see from my own point of view. I beg you to see that this man, because of this, because they used to they manipulate people. He come out with a manipulation boss to manipulate people, to put all the things for a wife head. In an innocent, in a victim, not be innocent. First time you impregnated you get wife, or you say you forgive your wife, you do a secret. You do a secret. Hi. But some people, he do a secret. He's there inside for 7 good years. He don't forgive him, and you get your own picking for outside. Nobody know. Now will come church, come form holy. They will come church, come do say, oh God. Now the good past. They just see Jesus yesterday. They just see God day before yesterday. Some say they drink wine with God. Some say they in fact they eat and dine with God. They go come church like say nothing they happen. And everything just they happen behind closed door. Everything they happen. They go lay hand. I don't trust man. Ha. Una wakan? Una wegbe? Una strong sha? I beg my sisters, my brothers, Mona not they let all these men of God point for una head. They act problem, join a problem. Just imagine somebody we go marry. Hey God, he go marry another person. See him here and look the dates. He marries somebody, then he still stand on top of pulpit. They say, holy, the holy Jesus. The Lord said, I just minister with God. They put hand for people head. They pray for people, and people they really believe. Say yes, that they see what they don't they see. I just hope my brothers and sisters use this man, this pastor or brother Joshua, to get sense. Say, pastors now human being. Pastors are bound to make mistake. When somebody cry out, make we follow that story up and see if those people really they talk true. Instead of us to shut them down. Instead of us to say, no, that person is too holy to do this. if to say this woman where he go marry come talk and come out, I believe 100%, not be 99, 100% say in members go enter social media, fire this woman, say she's a bloody liar. This their daddy is too good. This their daddy is too holy to go to that level of that woman. And this woman, they say na still prophetess. Hey God, my people, we don't enter one chance. We don't enter one chance. See church where they go 24 hours. See a sin full church. See a sin full churches. See people who they let they put hand for our head. The woman go minister, sing, heaven go fall, not knowing say they sleep with another woman husband. Okay, if he forgive the wife, the members, social media, he don't come confess now. Make him tell us the man when he fornicate with, because the woman will confess when the pikin don't come, who he sleep with, who get the pikin, he know. May bring everything come out. When you want confess everything. He's not confessing. He just want to push shades. He just want to put shade on his wife. He just want to make people know, say, in the divorce. You the divorce, go meet somebody who you don't marry. He don't marry more than 4 years ago. And he see they stand on top of pulpit, they say, praise the Lord. And people see they follow him. People, they give way for him because of money. These days, now money people, they worship. These days, now money people, they respect. I not feel for him. I feel for a wife, because it's not easy. It's not easy for you to bear this thing, nobody to talk to, because the public, the shame, the disgrace, the talk, the negative talks will go come. God, because of the children, she go like one keep everything. But when she come, they complain. They say, may she shut up, and now because of say she not take your advice, now make her come reach this extent. And people are falling for it. People are saying no, the woman shouldn't have talked. Even the video where the woman they make, some people, some members say the right, say you are a role model. You are not supposed to do this in public. You are supposed to do it in secret. For 7 good years. Now, woman, I write that comment. For 7 good years, can you take it, my beloved sister? You go there for a room, your husband go to receive on that woman phone. You go carry your husband for your sister on that woman test time. Couple with the fact that she get the evidence that her husband, can you take it? More stop to the blame women. More we stop. This thing has to stop, for crying out loud. This thing has to stop. Make we not just give men say, oh, now because in a man, oh man is good to do everything. Man, na woman, now the blame. A woman supposed to arrange house. Man, they forbid to arrange house. Man, they forbid to make house work. You they beg your wife since 7 years and she never still rest. That is to say, you never rest for that woman, but the wife even said it. Anyhow, let me leave it here. I just hope you understand. I hope you see reason with me. I hope you don't take it personal. I just hope you see from my own point of view. I just hope you see and learn lesson from this man's case, from this Pastor Joshua or Bishop Joshua's case. Just know that pastors are human beings, not God, not Jesus. They are bound to make mistake. Not just they let them put hand for your head because you don't know whether they thief your star. You only know yourself. You don't know what another person they carry. Don't be too desperate. Not they too look for who they worry you. Sometimes we they worry ourselves by ourselves. We they drop problem, join problem for our body. Where we take go they meet all these sinners. Where we take go they meet all these sinners, may they lay hand on us. You feel lay hand on yourself. You feel pray for yourself. If you know where, go hospital. Go hospital. Even them themselves, they go hospital. Then themselves, they do operation, they do surgery. If they sick, they go hospital. Go hospital. You don't need pastor to remove fever for your body. You need drugs to remove fever for your body. You get tetanus, you get cancer. Now hospital that they go, not be church that they go. Not be church. The only thing you will go church for now to go beg them to support you for bill or you want to pay for hospital. Not be saying you go they look for healing there. Nobody that they heal. Nobody that they heal. Go to hospital because them themselves they go hospital. If God they heal as they talk, I not to say God not they heal. God they heal where, but not be as they talk and so. If God just they heal all those cancer where they talk so. If God just they heal, why the source still there? If for your vanish now, God not they do half miracle. God they do full miracle. Now they do. Now full miracle now they do. So I beg you, my brothers and sisters, remove yourself from this enslavement. Free yourself from this bondage where they put all of us, because they are dictators. This one another dictator where God just exposed for South Africa. Now South Africa is from the start now. In Nigeria before start for Pastor Suleiman body, but me and you. Now Nigeria for start before for not even Pastor Suleiman. He get one man. I don't remember his name. I will find the man picture out later. When he divorced his wife, he drive his wife, marry his mistress for choir stand. He say God speak to her and say the girl waiting for choir now can be his wife. So all of us we accept and say, oh God, really they minister to them. We not reason now because now man of God. If now woman do and believe me, you all of them go they shout. All of them say, oh, this woman too spoiled. But because now daddy now do, God really speak to her. He divorced his sweet wife, married the chorister. Pastor Suleiman won't come happen. All of us enter social media, begin fire Otobo. Talk say no Otobo, she's from the pit of hell. Otobo na mami water. Otobo na banje. Otobo na this. Otobo is a prostitute. They cannot. Pastor Suleiman cannot stoop low to go to Suleiman. Like seriously. Another one, God can say, okay, since Nigeria people no one understand, I carry and go South Africa. Under 2 months or under 1 month now, don't exposed to still they expect more, because this year 2019 now the year of exposure. So I just hope you understand. I hope you learn lesson from this Pastor Joshua. I hope you just believe in yourself. I hope you love yourself. I hope you love God sincerely without believing all these men of God. God not say believe you will feel you na person one can they deliver your message to her. Speak to God. He loves you that much. Is your father or is your mother? She's your mother. She will understand in any language where you take give her. Now he create you. Now he create that language. Now he give people brain to take create that language. He will understand. So stop running here and there. Nobody they worry us. We they worry ourselves. When we fit just love ourselves, when we fit just activate our brain, when we fit know what we love to do and put them into market, you will see so we will blow. The people who get money for this world, believe me, many of them are not religious. Many of them are not religious. They only just apply wisdom and love the less privileged. Love you till I come your way next time. Don't take it personal. You know I hate seeing that beast in you. Please don't forget to give this video thumbs up. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. If you've subscribed already, I love you. Thank you very much. Thanks for patronizing me. Thanks for correcting me. Till I come your way next time. This is Sophie Universe. Share. If you love the video, share. If you don't love it, share. Believe me, somebody in your list will love it. Somebody in your list will see reason with me. Love you in the name of love. Till I come your way next time.